Welcome to this video. Today I will talk to you about why Coca-Cola is one of the best companies to invest in, especially if you are looking for dividend-paying stocks. First of all, it's important to mention that Coca-Cola is one of the most recognized brands around the world. The company has been in business since 1886 and has built a solid reputation over the years. This means that the company has a loyal customer base and a solid presence around the world. Second, Coca-Cola is a very profitable company. The company has a history of steady growth in revenues and profits. In addition, the company has managed to maintain a solid rate of return on investment over the years. This means that the company is able to generate a steady cash flow and is likely to continue to do so in the future. Third, Coca-Cola is known for its strong dividend policy. The company has paid out dividends consistently since 1920 and has increased its annual dividend by an average of 5% over the past 10 years. This means that Coca-Cola shareholders can expect to receive a steady stream of passive income through dividends. Fourth, Coca-Cola is a company with a sound business strategy and a diversified global presence. The company has a wide range of products and brands in its portfolio, which means it is well positioned to take advantage of different trends and opportunities in the markets in which it operates. In addition, the company has a presence in more than 200 countries, which allows it to diversify its geographic risk and take advantage of opportunities in different markets. In conclusion, Coca-Cola is an excellent choice for those looking to invest in dividend stocks. The company has a solid reputation, a track record of consistent growth and profitability, a sound dividend policy, and a solid and diversified business strategy. However, it is important to remember that any investment carries risks and it is advisable to research and analyze any investment before making a decision. I hope you liked this video and that it has provided you with valuable information about Coca-Cola and whether it is a good or bad option to invest with a focus on dividend stocks. Don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting content about investments and finance. See you next time.